Greetings, beautiful family. How are you doing, guys? Outside there, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. That will always depend with the time you're coming across this video. I hope you all guys are all doing great. Another fine afternoon that God has given unto us. Freely we can walk, you can breathe. All glory be to the Most High Almighty. Back again, welcome to this amazing YouTube channel. I go by the name Dickens Senior here. I'm here to give you some beautiful videos daily on some daily basis. Actually, it's I'm supposed to be giving you videos on daily basis, but due to one, two, three, that is those some of the things that have to be there, it is at times not possible. So I just try to fix myself. Like when I do get enough time, I'll be actually trying to make at least 2 or 3 videos so that I can keep you posted and keep you going, moving, guys. Because if I do one video, I take a month, another video, that will be so boring. And you can tell me in the comment section, you can just give me what you think about that. A video after a month, it's so boring, guys. So it's good to keep your audience. Actually, it's good to keep your audience on toes, like always giving videos almost on a daily basis, if not possible at least 3 videos in a week. 3 videos in a week, that will be better. But doing a video, uh, one dropping, the second one dropping after a month, that is so boring, and that one will also weaken the trust your audience have in you. So it's better, it's always good to keep uh, to be like trying being that consistent. Consistency always plays a major role, and there's growth. The YouTube, the social media, I mean, generally social media, that is Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, X, all of that, TikTok, yeah, consistency plays a major role into our growth. So it's better to keep you guys posted. That is why you see me struggle, always struggle as much as possible, because we had a very good family in the other YouTube, which was taken, but I'm back here. I struggle that much to get it back, but didn't work. So that's why I had to come back here to give you, like, to create, to open a new channel and to continue giving you what I used to do, guys. So yesterday, you remember, on our previous video, the last video actually, we were doing a 3-door wardrobe. We did the part one uh, on our last video. So today we're gonna do our second part of it. The second part of it, it's here today. You can see the structure there, guys. That is the structure of it. Let me just pray and come. This is the structure actually. That is the structure. And so today, guys, we're gonna work on it. I just want to do the back part of it. Then we fix the doors. We come here, fix the doors here. This is one, two, and there's one, three. So we're gonna fix the doors, 3 doors. There's a drawer there. There's a small door down there. So today, that is the business of today. What we wanna do. So I'll just encourage you to keep on watching, guys. Let's watch this to the end, and don't forget, if you're coming across this video, guys, actually, before I can forget, if you're coming across this video for the very first time, just try as much possible. Hit the subscribe button if you've not yet done so. Like this video, comment, and share it to as many friends of yours as possible to help me grow this amazing YouTube channel, because I'm still on my road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. So let's work on the subscribers first before we can embark on our journey to 4,000 watch hours. So just do me that favor, then we can now continue, guys. So keep watching to the end. Let's go with this. Yes, so here we are here to fix the boards here at the back. So straight away, let me just do it, guys. These are the pieces of the plywoods. So I'm to fix them here. This is how we do it. This is how we make ends meet. So this is what, okay, I do love this kind of work. So let's just do it together so that you can see what is happening, what is changing, what is not changing to the end. You can see, guys, how it's taking shape. It is shaping up, and you can just have a look. We are remaining, this side is covered and this one is covered, so I'm remaining with this area now. So that is where I want to work on. That is actually what we are here to do today. So it's shaping up. So let me just do the remaining part. Then you see. is has taken shape, guys. I think you love how we move it, guys. I think you love that. Have a look at that. I think you're now loving the shape that is covered. Let me just take you in front so that you can see how it has taken shape actually. You can see that, guys. Wow. Can you see what we are trying to make? What we're trying to make here, guys. Can you see that? That is what we are working on. So after that, covering the back part of it. So we want now to move now to want to do the doors now. So keep watching till the end, guys. That is my plea, my request, humble request. Just watch to the end. Support me just by subscribing to my amazing channel and share it to as many friends of your viewers as possible because you will be helping me a lot, guys. So let's just continue watching. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do it to the end. Next step now, the doors. Yes, we are from the scratches, from the skeleton to lifting it upright to working to covering the back part of it. And now, and right now, with the help of this drill, we want to fix the doors. So stay tuned to the end. So this is the door number one. This one here, it's very nice. This will come this side. Let me bring the other door. Then we have this one here. It should come here. So let's work on the first two. Let me just fix the first two. Then we go work on the other one with the mirror. The other one is very risky to have it here because the mirror can crack. So let me fix the first two, then we bring the other one. Let's watch how we do it. Make sure it is balanced. Once it is balanced, it is balanced. Just as simple as that. So let's see if it's can be closed. Let's do some 1, 2, 3. That's a very nice one here. Very good one, man. You see that is done. That is the door number one, guys. It is done. As you can see, it's not looking nice. How do you rate that? How can you rate that work? Let me bring you close. Let me just bring you close to have a look at this one. how we fix it from a close range. Let me just bring this one here. So guys, we want to fix this one here. You see that I'm just trying to bring you close so that you can see what is happening inside here. What holds the door, what connects this door and the part. We fix that there. Then we give it some small allowance. You see that allowance? I don't know if you can see that. There's a small allowance here. Yeah, I think you can see that. There's a small allowance left for the door to swing so that you can swing around. Yeah, from that we come down here. Come to this one here. That one there. From that, we come down here, guys. Oh, here, I don't know, you won't be able to see that. Let me just try bring you. Yes, I think from that angle you can see something here. From down here, you can see that. Let's fix it and see if it can bring what we want. That is done. The number one, it is done. We've done fixing it. So let's see if it will swing smoothly. So you realize when you come on this side, actually, this side, you will realize there's a how this it is not going in line. It's not going in line with the other one. There's how it has gone past this area. So to correct that, guys, that we just come here to fix it from this end. Just simply do some simple task here. We just adjust it from this part. To adjust it, we come and adjust this one down here. We adjust it throughout. You see that? So that it can also, the door can also be closed completely. You see that? It is now closing now. Now the two doors are done, guys. You can see from that distance. Two done, one still pending. So just want to work on the third one now. Let's just continue watching this amazing video. Give it a like. If you've not yet subscribed, subscribe, guys, kindly, so that we can move this channel to another level, kindly, guys. Let's watch. Let's go now to the third door. I don't know, guys. So let's just continue watching. Actually, just kindly continue watching this video, guys. It's an amazing one. It's a very nice one. It's showing you how things are being done. Actually, for those who never knew, these things they do come when they are packed in boxes. So they come, you open, fix, like assemble them. Then now you can sell something very nice like this one. Let's wait for its completion. Let's fix this one. It's the most risky one because it has got a glass. Hello? Hello? So we fix this one, guys. We give it some allowance for swinging, swinging, swinging. Wow, very nice. See that, guys? See that? Actually, there's um, nothing much big change we can do on this. It's just a slight adjustment we are going to do on it so that it can look nice and fix well. It is done. That is now done, guys. So you can just see that. Very nice. The mirror now here. Here is the mirror. You can see me over there. That is the mirror now. So we are going to do the last part of it. The last part. We are almost there, guys. Let's just move. We are almost there. We want to fix our drawer here. Here is the drawer. Here is the drawer. It is having some of my things here. So we fix it here, guys. You see that? That is how we fix. See that? Very nice now. That is now done. Let's try get it from this angle here. Wow, that angle looks better. I think that angle it's looking better now. So here, see that how it's running. This one here. That is now. Now fix this one here. This is the last one before we can fix the locks. The locks are not taking much time. The locks do take the least time. So let me bring the camera on this side so that you can see what we are doing or what we want to do here. Still we will leave allowance on top there, guys. We'll give it some allowance here. We're doing this small door and the drawer down there. That is the allowance now. So we fix that. This is now fixed. Let me see. It goes. There's a big gap here. So I just want to set it. Just want to set it to give almost the same. Yeah, you can see now it's the same thing, almost the same gap. Let me adjust it. Just balance that. You just need to balance it, guys. It is now balanced, and finally it is now complete. As you can see that, guys, that is the drawer. This is the small door. This is the other door with the mirror. See, this is the first door, second here, then this is the third one. So let's continue watching, guys. We are almost done. Let's just watch this because we are almost done. I love how you enjoying it, and I hope you're enjoying it, guys, just like I am saying. you are enjoying it. Let's fix the locks. Let's work on the locks now. On the locks now. Here we get the locks. That is what we want to work on very, very fast with speed. The locks should be fixed right now. That is what we want to do. Wow, it's very tiresome, guys. You can imagine. You can imagine from what you will see. It was just a flat. There are flat boards. You can imagine that what we've done to bring it to this end. It's never easy. It's not easy, guys. So that is the lock now. Oh wow, you didn't see that. This is the lock, guys. This is the lock. See, when you open it, oh wow, wow, are you going to see it, guys? Are you going to see that? Just try bring it if you can see it. Yeah, this is what we call the lock. Yeah, that is it. That is it. So guys, right now we want to fix, we want this door, we want to see it locked. And to lock it, there's something we're gonna fix around somewhere here. Let me just see where to fix it, where it is supposed to be, so that we can fix it to make sure this door locks. Let me see where it is supposed to be. Let me just try to see. Let me open this so that I can get it. Oh wow, that is the point. That is the point, and we're gonna fix it here, somewhere here now. Let's fix this. Let's see if it's going to lock. Let's see if this door is going to lock. Let's have a look. Wow. What is not happening here? Oh, it is not locking still, guys. Let me just try to adjust. It's not locking, guys. You can see that. You can see that it's now locking. That one done. Another one now. That one done. We now move to the next one. That is the other. You now want to work on the other lock. This one here, guys. This one here. So let me just try to bring this here to hold my camera just right there. Just right there. We are doing it. Remember, I'm just alone here, guys. So I don't have anybody holding this camera for me. So I just have to do it this way. Plus, I don't want to make this video long. I don't want our video to be long. So you just bear it with me. It's a serious work. It has not been easy at all. But we have to try. We have to do it. Let's go. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen, guys. This is not something big. Can it lock? Yes. Yes, it can. It's locking. It's locking. So now that is finally it is complete, guys. So you can rate that in a ratio of 1 to 10, guys. In a ratio of 1 to 10, you can rate that kind of work. You can see on my background there. At the back, you can just tell me something in the comment section, guys. You can have a look at that beautiful three-door wardrobe, guys. It's a nice one, very nice one. Let me open the doors. Let me open them so that you can see it from inside. See that? See that? It's a very nice one, guys. Very nice one. Let me open even these ones here so that you can see what I'm trying to show you guys. Very nice. Have a look at that. It's very nice. I just love it, guys. A very nice one here. We just requesting you guys before we can end this video. If you are meeting this video for the very first time, you are coming across this face for the very first time, I just humbly request you guys to give me a like, follow this, like this video, share this amazing YouTube channel with your friends, as many friends and viewers as possible, because we want to make this video, like this channel, we want to take it to 1,000 subscribers and above so that we can monetize, guys. So my humble request, let's get to 1,000 subscribers, and also don't forget to comment on my videos always, guys. So I just have to say thank you, guys. Finally, our three-door wardrobe is complete. And on our next video, guys, don't miss this. It will be I'll be doing a shop tour to take you around, briefing you on some type of products we have here. So keep on checking and watch our videos always. Till next time, guys, if you feel interested,